Welcome to Erdos Miller MicroPulse Moments. In this series, we'll be going over the features of the MicroPulse MWD controller and how to use them in practice with the Eclipse Touch surface receiver software. In today's episode, we'll be going over the continuous inclination and azimuth compression. To set up continuous inclination and continuous azimuth compression in Eclipse Touch, navigate to the MWD tab and go to the editor. In the editor, go to the Sequences section and simply add deinc or dazimuth to your toolface or logging sequences. The signed integer I format is the recommended format for these words. A table showing the ranges and the resolutions relative to the bit numbers is shown here. Once you have your deinc and dazimuth with the appropriate configuration entered, the toolface logging sequences, click Done and commit the configuration. Now we navigate to the live page and turn on flow. We have now received the survey inclination and azimuth values, 90.13 and 233.97 degrees. And now we'll wait for the deinc and dazimuth values in the toolface logging sequence. So here we see a deinc value of 0 degrees come up and a cInc value populated in the decoded section of 90.13. The deinc value of 0 means that the current continuous inclination is exactly the same as the survey inclination. We also see a dazimuth value of 0 come up and a calculated cAzm value of 233.97. Once again, the survey measurements are exactly the same as the continuous measurements, so a 0 delta is transmitted. Now if we change the inclination of the tool and the azimuth slightly, we will get non-zero deinc and dazimuth values, and the calculated continuous inclination and azimuth values will be shown here on the right. So now we see a deinc value of minus 0.88 and a cInc value of 91.01. Now we have an updated deinc value of minus 1.5 degrees and a cInc value of 91.63. Now we get a dazimuth of 0.88 and a cAzm of 233.10. This has been an episode of Erdos Miller's MicroPulse Moments. If you enjoyed this content, like and subscribe and let us know what you think.